Hi, welcome back to the Pilaf Kitchen Cuisine. My name is Noelle. Today we're going to be making rice pilaf, classic side dish. Sometimes it's kind of hard to achieve that really fluffy texture that rice pilaf has, but I'll show you a good trick for that. Yeah, let's get started. Okay, so I got a small saucepan on the burner here. Gonna add quite a bit of the Cucina oil, probably like 1.5 tablespoons in there. And we're just going to saute 3/4 of a cup of chopped onion, just to soften it. Cool thing about this recipe, like rice pilaf, is really customizable, so you could use like fennel in here instead of the onion. You could do shallot, do whatever you like. We're also going to do a big pinch of the truffle salt in here too. Just let this soften up a little bit. Let it go for probably like 2 minutes, 3 minutes maybe. Okay, so it's been a little while. The onion's pretty soft here. I'm going to add like about a teaspoon of the lemon pepper in here. Just kind of till it's fragrant, stirring it a little bit. And now we're going to add in the rice. This is basmati rice. It's 1 cup. And we're going to toast it for about 2 to 3 minutes. Gives it a little bit more complexity of flavor when you toast the rice. This is also a method used for making risotto too. If you had like the Tuscan oil or maybe garlic, lemon, or rosemary, would be really good in here too instead of cucina, so you can switch it up however you want. And you want to keep stirring it while you're toasting the rice so that it doesn't burn. Okay, so now that the rice is toasted, we're going to add a 1.5 cups of chicken stock. This is unsalted chicken stock, so I'm going to add a little bit extra of the truffle salt too, probably just like half a teaspoon. And we're going to cover it and let it simmer for about 15 minutes. Okay, so this has been simmering for about 15 minutes. All of the water has absorbed. So the trick for getting rice pilaf like extra fluffy is you cover it with a dish towel and then put the lid on top and let that sit for like another 10 minutes. And the cloth kind of absorbs all the excess water. So yeah, we're going to do that, let it sit for a little while, and then we'll garnish with some herbs and some pecans and some extra cucina oil.